Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of your laptop being excessively slow. This particular laptop, I have 16 GB RAM, and the speed has always been very good and very fast. And I was thinking that it's because my storage was almost full, so I deleted a lot, and it was I had 36 GB space. Initially this one was red. I was left with about 10 GB, then I deleted till I had 36 GB, but it did not solve the problem. And I have 16 GB RAM, which the speed usually is very fast, super fast, but this time around it was very slow. I tried everything possible, it didn't work, but I found a solution which I am going to share with you, how you can solve the problem of your laptop being very slow. If you follow this step-by-step process, you will be able to solve that problem. And as I speak to you now, if I come here, if I want to access anything on my browser, it's just very fast. Just check here. Let's say I want to go to Ghana Web. You see how fast it is. See. But initially, when I had that problem, if I try to say log into Facebook or go to access any web page, it was loading too slow and taking too long. Now, what did I do that I was able to solve this problem? There is this particular, let me just show you. You see 360 Total Security. If you come here and then type 360 Total Security, yeah, so very good. So come and then install free antivirus protection for home and businesses. Then after you install it, after you download it and install it for free, free download, you can download and install it. Then after that is done, you come and then open it and then come to full check and then click on check issues. When you come to the full check, you'll be asked to scan for all the issues your laptop may have. Then after that is done, you come and click on repair. As you see, about 465 issues were found, so I'm repairing. So it says 3 advanced issues also can be fixed: driver update and all of that. So this particular one relates to my audio device. It came to a time that when I try to record video or to even play video, the audio or sound system is very bad. So if you click on repair, okay, so this one they're asking me to upgrade to premium before I can do that, but generally it has fixed most of the issues. And so when that is done, normally what you have to do is that just for what they're asking me to advance for now, I will leave that for now. But the majority of the issues relating to system delay, let's say a virus and other fraudulent software that may be causing your system to slow down, okay, the antivirus of this 360 Total Security will flush them out, remove them, and then now your laptop is going to be very super fast in terms of, you see, it says fixing completed. 451 out of 451 issues were found and then fixed. Okay, this one is a driver update, and even the driver update I can go and do that manually in the Windows security settings. So I'm just finishing it now. When that is done, in order to fail your computer very well and to really know that everything has been fixed, what you need to do is you have to restart the device. So just go and then click on restart the device, and come. When you restart it and open it, you see that the speed is just going to be very super fast. You will not be experiencing glitches, slow loading and all those problems again. And I did this and it has really helped me, and I know if you also follow this process and you do it just as I have described, your laptop will be back again to function at its normal speed. Yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video for more other videos like this. If you follow it, if it helps you, if you also follow it and you are not able to do it well, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me for help. And I do Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, digital marketing, and all of that. Thank you for watching once again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.